look at the relationship with Signature Global, we've been associated with Signature Global from last 3 years. 3 years back, we were looking for a product which was, very, very suitable to the consumer. We were looking at a ticket size of 50 lakh rupees. And in the research, we found out that there is a product by Signature Global, which is Signature Global Park in Sohna. 3 years back, we started selling that, and rest is history. We've been selling it from last 3 years, and we've sold more than 300 units there.
The main reason behind the success of Signature Global, I feel they know their strength and they play it accordingly. Like personally, I see a trend in last 1 year. Lots and lots of millennials are attracting towards Signature Global offering just because they have a plethora of this product with them, be it category, be it ticket size, or be it the location. Like in Gurgaon, all the micro market is totally covered by Signature, and their timely delivery is again cherry on cake.
Absolutely. I think I'll give a lot of credit to the leadership team also. If you look at Mr. Pradeep Agarwal, Mr. Ravi Agarwal, these guys I think have the right dream. Every family having a house is such a great dream. We really wanted to be with them in this dream, and we really wanted to live this dream. We really want every house, every family having a house. So it's very, very nice when somebody thinks such a positive thought.
True. The way we are sharing our association with Signature Global, somewhere I feel the main vision and mission of our company match with Signature Global, because both the companies are somewhere working around trust and respect and transparency.
Customer looks at the product, he sees the quality and then he buys. So, the products they've delivered in the past have been fantastic products at the price they are. In the years, Signature Global have been delivering products. They've delivered 8 products. I would say these 8 products, being affordable, they are much better than some of the luxury projects which have been delivered by the developers in Gurgaon. That brings a lot of trust towards the customers. Developer is serious about what he's making. They're ensuring that what they promise they deliver more than that. The quality of construction, the amenities, the kind of trust they bring to the table. There are very few developers in the country which can do that.
और जिस तरीके से रवि अग्रवाल सर ने लास्ट 5-6 सालों में गुड़गांव के अंदर स्पेसिफिकली अगर हम बात करें, ऑब्वियसली आज सिग्नेचर हर तरफ प्रेजेंट है, एनसीआर में, एनसीआर के बाहर भी. बट जिस तरह से एनसीआर में रवि सर ने चीज़ों को ऑब्जर्व किया और उसके तरीके से जिस तरह से ऑफरिंग लेकर और वैल्यू प्रपोजिशन लेकर आए हैं, तो कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लगता है कि जो मार्केट में सबसे अनछुए लोग थे, जिनको बारे में कोई सोचता नहीं था ना, उनको टारगेट किया है. और कहीं ना कहीं सिग्नेचर की सक्सेस में ये सबसे बड़ा एक तरीके से मील का पत्थर साबित होगा ये चीज़ कहीं ना कहीं. क्योंकि अगर हम देखें जो mid-30s के कस्टमर हैं जिनका पैकेज 10 लाख से 20 लाख हुआ करता था, बट वो गुड़गांव जैसे एक मिलेनियम सिटी में प्रॉपर्टी चाहते थे, बट उनको मिल नहीं पाता था. क्योंकि जनरली जो बिल्डर ऑफरिंग करते थे, जिस तरह की चीज़ें मार्केट में अवेलेबल थी वो अनअफोर्डेबल थी. तो उन लोगों का दर्द देखते हुए जिस तरह से सिग्नेचर ने अपने प्रोडक्ट को कस्टमाइज़ किया, जिस तरह से उसको टेलर मेड किया, आज आप लास्ट 1 साल 1.5 साल में देखेंगे तो आज जो यंगस्टर्स की पहली पसंद है गुड़गांव के अंदर, एक न्यूक्लियर फैमिली की पहली पसंद है गुड़गांव के अंदर, वो सिग्नेचर ग्लोबल है. और कहीं ना कहीं यही आने वाले कई दशकों तक सिग्नेचर ग्लोबल के सक्सेस को और आगे बढ़ाएगा.
Customers, I would say that if you're buying a home with Signature Global, you buying peace of mind, and that's the most important thing. Yes, location is important, quality of construction is important, but peace of mind with that, it's an extra advantage. It is cherry on the cake.